Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest way in which you can make money with the Fiverr affiliate program. Now this can be really good for making a bit of money on the side, as this is a really easy method to do. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it right now. So to start with, you first want to type in Fiverr affiliate and you will see this link here. Go ahead and click on this. And as you can see, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do is either log in if you already have an account, or if you don't, go ahead and join now, which is here in the top right corner. And then once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page, which is the dashboard. So here's where you can see all your impressions, your clicks, etc. However, we want to go on the left hand side where it says marketing tools, click on that, and then select default and deep links, which you can find right here. Now this will show us all our links. However, the thing we want to do before we copy any of these links is to head over to Fiverr and find something that we're interested in. So if you scroll down, you can see a few things that could be interesting. However, you basically want to type in whatever service you think you could sell best. So from here, you basically want to type in any sort of service. For this one, I'm just going to type in logo design. And here you can see there's tons of different types of logo designs. And what I would suggest is to look for one within a good price range for the average person, and also one that has a lot of reviews. So as you can see here, this has over 1,000 reviews and it's only £17, whereas some of these others are like a lot more than that. This one's £130. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And now you basically want to look through the profile and make sure it is something that you are happy with. And if you're sure they've got enough reviews, and if you're happy with the reviews and the work that they produce, what you want to do is go up to the search bar where the URL is and just copy this URL here. And now from here, we just want to head back into the dashboard. And in the top right corner, we can find this section. We can find this button that says LP URL. And we can paste this in here. And then when we click off, as you can see, these links will now change. Now these are our own custom links now, so what we want to do is click copy where this Fiverr CPA one is, and you just want to make sure that this link has been copied to clipboard. Now next up, you want to head to a website like this, which will shorten your URL. So you want to paste in that Fiverr link that we just copied, and then you want to select shorten URL, and as you can see, it replaces it from this down to this. So it makes it look a lot better and a lot less spammy when you're going to be sending this to people. So the next part of this step is to head over to Facebook. I don't have a Facebook account, so I can't really show you what to do here. However, don't worry, I'll still guide you through all the steps and what you have to do. So the first step is to head over to Facebook, and then you want to just go over to the search bar. So since the link I copied was for logo design, what you want to do is go to the search bar and type in need logo, like this. You'll basically find tons of people that are in need of a logo designer. So what I would suggest there is to just comment under every single post, that link, and just say this is a professional logo designer that I know and you can trust. And you want to do this to every single post that you see, and then eventually one will click and buy it and then earn you a nice bit of commission. Obviously, this will depend on what you're doing. So if you chose a different type of service, you just want to search whatever that is. So if you found someone that was selling websites as a service, you could type in need website instead, and then all the posts that you see that are people requesting websites, you can just comment down below, or you can even send them a Facebook message and just say, hey, I found this person that I've used before, you can trust them, they make professional designs, and you can just send them your link and hopefully they go ahead and buy it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to make a bit of money with the Fiverr affiliate program. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.